This is your new car. Shall we draw it? Orange. First, the car needs pink. Needs wheels. Brown. Now you can draw the second wheel. Red, green, and now the rear light. That goes on the back. Perfect. Great job! Wonderful car! Let's play with it. Your painting can talk. Tap the button at the bottom right to activate. The picture will repeat what you said.